Okay, so for this assignment, I chose to focus on activating prior knowledge from our UDL topics. So I found this really great website called Teacher Vision, and that can be accessed at www.teachervision.com. And I believe accessing prior knowledge is really important for our students to make connections with things that they know and just build on what they already know, and this can be really helpful for them in making connections throughout what they're learning and interacting with, and it makes it so much more meaningful to them. So I found this really great website, and it is full of all kinds of resources, so we can kind of go through. This is a basic search of activating prior knowledge, and it comes up with all of these resources, and we'll go a little bit more into those in a minute, but it gives you your basic what is it, why is it important, when should it be taught, what does it look like, and then it even goes to another page where it has how can you make it happen. So this whole site, and also how can you measure success, and it gives lesson plans beyond that, but we're going to go back to our main page for now. Let's see when it gets there. Okay, yeah. So this basically is a huge resource for teachers, and this site is made for teachers, obviously, and right now I'm using a free trial that I have for a week, and you can sign up for monthly and pay $7.95 a month, or a year and pay only $3.33 a month, or 2 years and pay $2.49 a month. So it's fairly inexpensive, and for teachers who would be using this a lot, it would be easy to get the 2-year subscription and then keep renewing that until for only basically $2.50 a month. So let's say I want to focus on activating prior knowledge, and I am in a 3rd grade classroom. So I will click on this and let it load. So I have 8,231 results found for 3rd grade. All the subjects are over here, and we have a mini lesson, we have an article, a few articles, and basically this whole thing, these are activities and more lessons, so they all are going to address that specific topic. So we're going to go back, and let's say I wanted to specifically focus on reading comprehension, and we might have to tweak the lesson plan slightly, but it comes up with more lessons and articles, and you would click that and kind of go through and see what fits your classroom best. So they're all very accessible and easy to get to and very well organized. So these even are for teacher development, and it says there's 116 results, 322 for new teacher resources, so it really keeps you up to date. And we have reading comprehension, reading literature, language arts, and writing. So that offers a plethora of options for a teacher looking to just focus on activating prior knowledge. So going off of that, there are all kinds of other things on this site. So you could search anything up here, look for teaching strategies, themes, holidays. So it basically has any holiday under the sun that you can click on. Let's say we want to talk about Groundhog's Day, and if we give it a minute here, it will give us all kinds of things you can do that have to do with Groundhog's Day. And we have videos and lessons and activities and fun little exercises to do. So yeah, I would overall give this a 5-star rating. I think that is fairly inexpensive, and you are able to try it out before you fully commit to the full paying for anything. So I think that it has a bunch to offer and touches on really important issues that we need to address in the classroom.